Does melatonin work for jet lag? Let's find out. Melatonin is a naturally occurring hormone that regulates our sleep cycle, high at night and low in the morning. Average doses of melatonin are between 1 to 10 milligrams. Now, since this is my first time with external melatonin, I'll be playing it safe with 5 milligrams. It takes 6 hours for melatonin to leave your system, so a 7-hour flight from Toronto to Lisbon was the perfect opportunity to shift my circadian rhythm to a different clock.
Popped one of these, 5 milligrams, ready to go.
Now here's a super underrated tip to fall asleep on the plane fast. Mouth tape to force nose breathing and enter deep sleep. Yup, I was that person. Pillow cushion, sunglasses, mouth tape. Call me crazy, but I wouldn't hear you because I was sleeping. Now before taking off, I let the flight attendant know that I'd be sleeping through service and would like to be undisturbed. I ended up deep sleeping for 5 out of the 7 hours. Pretty neat. After landing, it was imperative to get sunlight lumens into my eyes to regulate my circadian rhythm. Pretty good news. I stayed up the entire day. Don't really feel that tired right now. It's like 8 p.m., so pretty much woke up at like 5 a.m. That to me is pretty successful. Like right now it's 3 p.m. Canada time. The proof of success lies in repeatability. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Get cozy. Okay, so day 2, and it's officially no jet lag day because I woke up at like 6:30, watched the sunrise. I'm back. It's 8 o'clock. I feel like I'm on my regular schedule again. The routine's back on. So am I in Portugal? Am I in Toronto? Who knows? The melatonin trick worked so well that I was able to wake up before the sunrise every day, catch beautiful serene moments like these, and get some pretty sweet B-roll footage. Listen. If you're traveling east, it's a foolproof system for jet lag. Pop it 30 minutes before desired sleep. When I traveled west to come back home, I skipped melatonin and let sunlight work its magic. Okay, bye.